So in this video guys, I'll be showing you how to prepare a delicious coleslaw at home. Firstly, we're gonna prepare the dressing. So for the dressing guys, we're gonna need 1/4 cup of mayonnaise and 1/8 cup of buttermilk. And if you don't have buttermilk at home, all you need to do guys is add 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice to 1/4 cup of milk, or 1/2 teaspoon of vinegar to 1/4 cup of milk. So now that our buttermilk is inside guys, we're gonna go ahead and add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And then from there we're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of granulated sugar. I'm just gonna use a whisk and combine all these ingredients together. And we're just gonna put this dressing aside, okay guys? So I have 4 cups of grated cabbage right there. You can go ahead and use your knife to chop, but I rather to use the grater. And this is the side of the grater I use for the cabbage and the carrot. See how beautiful the cabbage is? Nicely grated. And you wanna go ahead and add 1 ounce of carrot, and I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of diced onion, and then I'll be using my hands to combine these vegetables here. And while combining the vegetables, you want to go ahead and give it a nice little squeeze here. So now it's time to add the dressing guys. So I'm just gonna use my spatula to put my dressing inside of a bowl. And then again, I'm gonna go ahead and use my hands to combine all these ingredients together. And this cabbage salad tastes best after a few hours guys. You know, you won't have that strong cabbage flavor. And we just wanna go ahead guys and massage the salad, you know. Or you can just go ahead and make your coleslaw overnight. Oh guys, look how beautiful it is guys. Nice and simple. And this delicious coleslaw is ready guys. You see how easy it is to make your coleslaw at home.